Testing with unit tests. In this session, we talk about unit testing, we'll take an example, talk about the assert methods, and discuss the pytest framework. Unit testing is the act of testing individual units of code while considering associated control data, usage procedures, and the operating procedures. The purpose of this is to determine whether the parts of code are fit for use. This is a method of software testing. With Python, we have the unit test module. This is inspired by JUnit and supports test automation, sharing setup and shutdown code for tests, aggregating tests into collections, and the independence of tests from the framework. When we talk about unit testing, there are 4 things you should know. Test fixture involving the necessary preparation and cleanup actions, the test case itself, a test suite, which is a collection of test cases and suites, and a test runner, the component that organizes the execution of tests and delivers the outcome to the user. Let's take an example. Import unit test. Mod3 is a function that returns the value of a number mod3. Class tests defines a method test. This asserts that mod3 of 4 is equal to 1. Main delivers a command line interface to the test script. The outcome of this is that it ran one test in 0.004 seconds and it ran it OK. Sometimes we can make a class inherit from the test case class from unit test. Also, there are many assert methods we can use for this purpose. They check for equality, Boolean truth values, identity, none, membership, is instance, and exceptions. For regular expressions, logs, comparison, and equality on types. Now, pytest is a framework for writing small tests. However, we can scale it to support complex functional testings for apps and libraries. We have this code in a file demotest.py. At the command line, we run this command, and it runs the test and displays this output. And this is how we perform unit testing in Python.